how to add or remove sound amplifier shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, scroll down to and click on accessibility. So after click on accessibility, you will see last option is installed app. So click on installed app. Now here, so you will see third option is sound amplifier. So click on sound amplifier. So if you want to add sound amplifier, so turn on sound amplifier shortcut. So after turn on this button, you will see sound amplifier is add. So if you want to remove sound amplifier, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see sound amplifier is turn off. So remove. So if you want to add or remove sound amplifier from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove sound amplifier shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.